Hey guys, Jasmine here, and I wanted to come share this really quick tip on how you can make $3,000 or more from speaking at a free event. So number one is that you want to host your event, okay? So if you're starting from scratch, you haven't been able to book any speaking engagements, host your own free event. Now, you need to focus on a particular topic and outcome so that your attendees know exactly what to expect and they know exactly what they're going to get. Your free event should not exceed 2 hours, and you want to tell the what and the why, and you want to teach a little bit of strategy. You want to teach a little bit of the how so that your attendees can feel as if they, are walking away with some valuable information. You want to share tips that they can immediately implement and get immediate results, okay? So the second thing that you want to do is that you want to have an offer, you want to present an offer at the end of your workshop, okay? Now, if you are out speaking at an event, then you definitely want to collect leads. You want to collect the information, names, emails, and phone numbers of people who are interested in you and your services, and you want to follow up with them, and you want to present an offer. So whether you are hosting your own event and you present an offer at the end of the event, or you're speaking at someone else's event and then you collect leads and follow up with them, you want to have something to sell. You want to have you want to present a way for the attendees to work with you further after the event. So this could be one-on-one coaching, this could be a group coaching session, this could be a program or a service, and you want it priced appropriately so that you can hit your revenue goals while you are helping someone to attain a particular result in their life or business, okay? Number three is that if you are hosting your own event and you are presenting the offer there at the event, then you want to go ahead and provide a way for them to enroll on the spot. You have to understand that when people get out of your face, basically, the conversion rate decreases drastically. So you want to have a way for them to sign up on the spot, whether that means they put down a deposit or they put down, a security hold, or even they put down their first payment. You want them to sign up and enroll on the spot, and then you want to begin your onboarding process with them within 24 to 48 hours. So these are three things that you can implement if you are a current author or a new author to make $3,000 or more at a free event. You guys, put these tips into action. Let me know if they work for you and tell me what you think. If you want to work with me further, make sure you go to workwithjasmine.com/free gift. Free gift is all one word. Once again, that's workwithjasmine, JASMINE.com/free gift. I look forward to speaking with you soon.